Hello again from out of the forge. Kind of a busy day today with fitting handles. I've got to get some leather work done. We've got a show coming up this weekend. But I'm going to find time to do a little something here. Got just a really small scrap. I'd like to hammer it out and make just a little knife, maybe a handle to fit 2 or 3 fingers and a small blade. I found a piece of old acrylic. We used to make acrylic handles, and I think I may put that on it. I'd like to make just a small blade that I can put in a leather sheath that would be good to just slip in a pocket and carry that way. Anyway, let's get it hot, smack it a few times and see what happens. Well, like normal, we're going to start out by drawing down a point for the blade. As always, drawing from the spine down to what's going to be the tip of the blade, and of course I have to drop everything at least once. Well, kind of a steep angle on this. Figure out about how long I want my handle to be. We'll go in here and hammer in to isolate the blade from the handle. Just make sure everything is even. Make sure everything's the right thickness. Straighten everything out. Give it a little brush up and take the scale off the blade. Keep it straight as you go. Otherwise, if you let it get too far out of whack, it never will work right. Now I'm just going to lay a piece of 3/16 inch, or I think that's 1/8 inch round, because I want a choil at the back of the blade on this one. And all I'm going to do is hammer the blade down onto that piece of 1/8 inch to forge in the little choil at the back of the blade. No problem. Well, this far along, it's time to start to forge in the bevels. Start by drawing it down what's going to be the heel, right at the choil. And draw it out. I hate working with thin stock. In spite of the fact that it's just ridiculously hot in the shop, it still loses heat so fast. It makes it irritating to work with. It's going to give me about the shape I want, though. Give her another brush up. Work that bevel out a little more. Now, since the plan is for this to be for me, it doesn't have to be fancy. Just hammer in a little bit of contour to the handle. Just something to keep it from being completely straight and add a little bit of interest to it. A little bit of character to the handle. Make sure everything's straight and even. Okay, so here we go. Got it all finished up. Put the old acrylic handles on it my wife made a couple years ago. Just a neat little blade. Fit right in the pocket. Blade's probably only 1.25 inches, but it's razor sharp. Do a good job for somebody. I wanted to keep it, but my wife says I have enough knives, so it's going to the next show. Anyway, if you're still here, thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that like button. Be sure and subscribe to get new content. Leave us a comment in the comment section. God bless and have a great day.